Data analyst, data scientist, AI engineer, three job titles that get thrown around so loosely that most people applying for these roles don't actually know the difference. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what each role does day to day, what they pay in India right now, and most importantly, how to figure out which one is actually right for you. ये तीनों अलग अलग करियर्स है, अलग अलग स्किल्स चाहिए और अलग अलग लोग इनमें सक्सेसफुल होते हैं. लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. Let's start with the simplest possible explanation. One line for each role. Data analyst explains what already happened. They look at backward at the data, find patterns, and answer business questions through reports, dashboards, and SQL queries. Data scientist predicts what will happen next. They build statistical models and machine learning systems that forecast future outcomes. AI engineer builds systems that act on their own. They take models and ship them as real production software, chatbots, AI agent, recommended systems. वो running करते live. Simple rule to remember. Analyst explains the past, scientist predicts the future, engineer builds a system that acts on it. ये तीन लाइन्स याद रखो, बाकी सब इसी पे बेस्ड है. Job titles confuse people, actual daily tasks don't. So here what each role really looks like on a Tuesday afternoon. A data analyst writes SQL queries to pull sales data, build dashboards in Power BI or Tableau, presents weekly trends to stakeholders and clean spreadsheet data. A data scientist design A/B test for a new future, trains a churn prediction model, runs statistical significant test, and communicates model results to the product team. An AI engineer deploys an LLM-based chatbot to production, builds a RAG pipeline with vector databases, optimizes inference latency and cost, and sets up monitoring for a live AI agent. Notice these are genuinely different jobs, different tools, different mindsets, different outputs. Here's the skill requirement breakdown, and this table is honestly the most useful slide in this video. SQL, expert level for analyst, strong for scientist, moderate for engineers, excellent BI tools, expert for analyst, but rarely needed for AI engineers. Python and R flip completely, basic for analyst, expert for both data scientists and AI engineers. Machine learning, rarely needed for analyst, expert for scientist, strong for engineers, and here's big one, MLOps, cloud platform, and LLMs or GenAI. These are expert level requirements specifically for AI engineers and barely touched by the other two roles. इसका मतलब है अगर तुम्हें कोडिंग पसंद नहीं, एनालिस्ट बेस्ट फिट है. अगर तुम्हें प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम बनाना है, AI इंजीनियर बन जाओ. Salary comparison in 2026. Now the part everyone actually hear for real numbers, real salary numbers for India in 2026. 0 to 2 years of experience, data analyst makes 4 to 8 lakh, data scientist makes 6 to 12 lakhs, AI engineers make 7 to 14 lakhs. 2 to 5 years analyst 7 to 14 lakhs, scientist 12 to 22 lakhs, engineer 15 to 28 lakhs. 5 to 8 years analyst 12 to 22 lakh, scientist 20 to 38 lakhs, engineer 26 to 48 lakhs. And 8 plus years analyst 18 to 32 lakhs, scientist 32 to 62 lakhs, engineers 42 to 75 lakhs. Pattern is consistent at every level. AI engineers commands the highest premium right now because production AI skills are genuinely in short supply. But does the highest salary automatically mean it's the right choice for you? Not necessarily. Now, career paths, how they connect. Here's something important. These roles aren't isolated silos. They are a connected ecosystem. Data analysis is usually the most common entry point, strong with business, context, and SQL. Natural next step is data scientist, add Python, machine learning, and statistics. And the growing transition from there is AI engineer, add ML ops, cloud, and deployment skills. But it is not always linear. Software engineers often move directly into AI engineering, statisticians, researchers move directly into data science, and domain experts, say in finance or healthcare, often become data analysts first because business context matters more there. Typical timeline, data analyst to data scientist takes about 1.5 to 3 years. Data scientist to engineer takes 1 to 2 years with focus upskilling. तो अगर अभी तुम एनालिस्ट हो, साइंटिस्ट या इंजीनियर बनना इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है, ये पाथ ऑलरेडी प्रूवन है. Which one fits you? Let's make this personal. Answer this honestly about who you actually are, not who you want to be. If you enjoy turning numbers into clear, persuasive stories for non-technical people, that's data analyst. If you like asking why repeatedly and you're comfortable with ambiguous, open-ended problems, that is the data scientist. If you want to see your work running live in production, serving real users at scale, that is AI engineer. If you prefer fast, visible business impact over long research cycles, data analyst again. If you're drawn to the math and theory behind why a model works, not just that it works, it is data scientist. And if you enjoy system thinking, APIs, pipelines, infrastructure scale, and that is AI engineer for you. Common mistakes, a few mistakes that cost people months of misdirected effort, chasing AI engineer purely for the salary, with zero engineering background. We struggle without solid software fundamentals first. Build that base, thinking data analyst is a lesser role and rushing past it. Strong analysts who deeply understand business problems often become the best data scientists. Don't skip the foundation. Trying to learn on all three skill set at once, mastering none. Pick one path, go deep for 6 to 12 months, then expand deliberately, and ignoring the company's actual need and just chasing the trendiest title. A data scientist role at a startup is often really an analyst engineer hybrid. Read the job description carefully. Titles lie, job description don't. The real answer is, so here's the real answer. Choose data analyst if you want fast entry, strong business impact, and a stable in-demand role. Choose data scientist if you love research, statistics, and solving ambiguous problem with data. Choose AI engineer if you want to build production system and ride the highest growth wave right now. None of these are wrong choices. They are all genuinely good careers. Pick the one that matches who you are, not what is trending. Tonight's task is pick one of these three, find one real job posting for it, and check honestly, do this requirement actually excite you? If this helps clarify things, hit like. If it genuinely helps the channel reach more people, comment below which one are you choosing for. I'll be reading every single one. And that's what we have for this particular video. We'll stop here for the day. Thank you, everyone, and happy learning. Take care. Bye.